This story is for those who are striving hard to succeed in life with all their might, but don't know what success really means and what it takes to achieve it. So let's begin the story. This is a story of a family that was struggling to make ends meet every day due to poverty. The family consisted of 4 members, a husband, a wife, and 2 sons. The man would leave his house every day in search of work and come back empty handed at night. Though they had wood for cooking, they didn't have grains to prepare meals. So he had to borrow money to arrange for a meal for his family for a limited period of time. However, this couldn't go forever. Therefore, he thought of trying his luck elsewhere, as finding employment in his village was difficult. With this thought in mind, he left his village. As he kept walking, it started getting dark, and soon it was night, but he couldn't find a suitable place to rest. The path was through a jungle, and the darkness kept increasing. However, he heard the sound of water flowing in the nearby river at a short distance. Therefore, he thought of spending the night under a tree near the river. Upon thinking this, he instructed his eldest son to gather firewood from the forest, his youngest son to fetch water from the river, his wife to make a mud stove, and he himself got busy in cleaning a place to sit and sleep. Each of them worked with complete honesty in their assigned tasks. After some time, when both sons returned with firewood and water, his wife kept the water for boiling. However, the man was still thinking about what to cook. As he was contemplating, he saw a bright light on the riverbank with a fish shining like silver in midst of that light. Initially, he was startled, but then he approached the fish. The fish started to laugh upon seeing the man and said, "Are you all fools? You burned the stove, but what will you cook in it?" The man got angry at the fish's laughter and said, "I will kill you and eat you." The fish replied, "What is this nonsense? Why do you want to kill me? What have I done to you?" To this, the man said, "We are very poor and have neither money nor food to eat, and we have been hungry since morning. That is why we will kill you and satisfy our hunger." And with these words, the man caught the fish and went towards the stove. Meanwhile, the fish started to think that these people are well prepared and all 4 are also powerful, so it is difficult to escape from them. Then she asked, "If I arrange money and food for you, will you not kill me?" The person replied that if our needs are fulfilled, we will not kill you. The fish then said, "The place from where you caught me, there is a pile of stones. Remove those stones and do some digging there. You will find a lot of food and money." Upon hearing this, the person agreed, but also warned the fish that if they did not find any money, they would come back and kill the fish. Saying this, the person tied the fish to a tree and the entire family started digging. After the excavation, they found a treasure trove of food and money. As soon as they found the money, the whole family respectfully released the fish back into the water and thanked it for its help. And after that, they returned to their village with the newfound riches. Now the whole family was living their life in happiness and prosperity. They didn't lack anything now. The neighbor couldn't resist seeing their happiness and wealth, so he called their younger son and came to know all their secrets. That neighbor also had 2 sons, so he made the same plan and whole family started moving towards the same river where the poor family had stopped. These people also made arrangements to stay in the same place where the poor family had stayed. This person also asked his eldest son to gather wood and his youngest son to fetch water. But both of them started making excuses to avoid the work. And when he asked his wife to make a fire, she also said that she is very tired. After managing everything haphazardly, when they finally kept the water to heat, suddenly a bright light appeared near the river. The whole family became happy, and the head of the family immediately went towards the light. There was a fish in the midst of the light, which was laughing at him. The fish said, "You may have lit the stove, but what will you cook in it?" Upon hearing this, the man got angry at the fish's laughter and said, "I will kill you and eat you." The fish laughed again and said that those who could kill me have already left. You cannot even touch me because there is no unity among you, nor any respect for each other, nor you all are hardworking. You people are wasting your time here because those who want to achieve something do not fight among themselves. As soon as the fish said this, it disappeared into darkness with the light, and the man remained with his family looking at where the fish had been. The golden rule of world is that success is attained by those who compete with unity, mutual respect, and hard working. The moral of the story is that besides working hard, it's crucial to nurture a sense of unity and respect.